In this video, we're continuing to look at conjunctions. If you've forgotten what a conjunction is, please look at my previous video where I looked at fanboys, and these were words that were used to join two sentences together. In this particular video, we're looking at phrases that are conjunctions that can be used to improve cohesion. Some examples are even though, as a result of, in respect of, as soon as, and some words are because, until, and whereas. I've written a sentence using a few of these phrases and a couple of words to see how we can connect the sentences together so that it reads much better. Even though I was late because the car broke down, I still passed my test and received an award. So even though, because, and have been used to join this sentence together so that it flows much better. If you've enjoyed this video, please press the subscribe button, and then you can access more videos.